As an artist, I love making things. I love repurposing things and solving my own problems. I just got this brand new kneaded eraser, and I want to keep it nice and keep it beautiful. But mine tend to pick up every bit of debris, and they get really grody. They pick up lint, and they especially pick up pencil shavings. I think I've solved that particular problem by finally putting a covered sharpener in my drawing kit. Sometimes I was keeping the kneaded eraser in a Ziploc, but the eraser got squished and stuck in the bottom. It all took part of the joy out of the drawing process. I just needed a better container, but I also needed it to be a really specific size and shape to fit the kit. I had seen a YouTube tutorial once where a survivalist showed how to make a miniature container out of the tops of 2 water bottles, and I really wanted to try it. His was made to be waterproof because he was keeping matches and medications and things like that in it. So he cut his right here below this wide ring. Mine doesn't need to be particularly waterproof, and I needed a little more space than he had, so I cut at the base of the neck just before the bottle flares out. These bottles are easy to cut with a pair of scissors. I also removed the seal rings. Those cut off really easily. I hot glued the 2 tops together, but because of the narrow contact edge, they were unstable. So I spread glue on the outer surfaces and stabilized them by wrapping a narrow piece of fabric around it. My last step was to spray paint the whole thing black, leaving the lids on. Don't paint the threads. Because of how sticky a kneaded eraser is, it can still get badly stuck in this container, or any container. But with this container, if it happens to get stuck, you can open the other end. That's still not something I want to have to do, so every time I put it in, I'm going to roll the eraser into a semi-cylindrical shape about the length of the container and slightly smaller in diameter. I am really happy with the end result. Now it's your turn. Go find a problem in your own life and get creative with the solution. Have a wonderful day.